Hello everyone, welcome to IS Baba's What, Why, How session. And today we'll be taking up two science topics and the delimitation topic. So the first one, nuclear power budget 2025-26. Friends, here Government of India has targeted to achieve 100 gigawatts of nuclear energy by 2047. So in that perspective, scientists are saying that with the current nuclear reactors which we have, we cannot achieve this target. So we have to go for uranium recycling. So what is this uranium recycling? So we'll be discussing here. So this uranium recycling is associated with Homi Jangir Baba's three-stage nuclear program. So this three-stage nuclear program starts with pressurized heavy water reactor which works on uranium 235. So friends, here pressurized heavy water reactor because the pressurized heavy water acts as a coolant and it removes the heat that is produced inside the reactor. So currently 99% of our reactors are pressurized heavy water reactors. Hence, the scientists say that we are unable to achieve the 100 gigawatt target. So only one reactor, that is in Kalpakam, is currently converted to fast breeder reactor. Friends, what is this fast breeder reactor? So here the plutonium is fed. So in the second stage, and the depleted uranium is fed. Depleted uranium is, friends, the uranium 238 and the uranium 232, so which is already present along with the uranium 235 in the nuclear reactor. So these two uraniums along with plutonium is being fed here, and as an output here, so we are getting energy because plutonium is being spent at the same time. So we are getting two raw materials, so that is plutonium 239, so which originates from uranium 238, and uranium 233 which originates from uranium 232. So in other words, uranium 238 plus 1 neutron gives plutonium 239, and uranium 232 plus 1 neutron gives uranium 233. So this much detail not needed, but so simply we have to say that when one atom of plutonium is consumed in the second stage, so two atoms of raw materials are produced, that is plutonium 239 and uranium 233. Hence the name fast breeder reactor. That means it breeds the raw materials faster than it consumes. So for one atom consumption, it produces two atoms of raw materials. Then we are going to the third stage, that is the thorium stage. Friends, thorium is in abundance in India. So in the monazite sands of Kerala. So those sands, they give thorium for us indigenously, and we can feed thorium in the third stage along with uranium 233, and we can run the third stage. So this is how the pressurized heavy water reactor and the fast breeder reactor, they come to the picture. Then come to next, the risdiplam. Friends, this is a gene targeting drug. So this has cured a baby from genetic disorder. Friends, we have known in the genetic engineering chapter that a genetic disorder can be cured only by genetic engineering. By simple drugs, they cannot be cured. But by these gene targeting drugs, if we cure, so that will be a really a breakthrough in the science and technology. Say here, so this gene targeting drug, so has been curing a disease called the spinal muscular atrophy in this baby. So this spinal muscular atrophy is being caused by a defective gene called the SMN1 gene. So this SMN1 gene is being targeted by this risdiplam. So by repeated targeting, so it has nullified its effect, and the disorder is not being showing in the baby. So the mother has consumed the drug consistently, and so the symptoms are not so much visible in the baby. And so hence the gene targeting drug has worked in this case, and this is one of the earliest cases for this gene targeting drug, and hence it becomes important. So remember the name and remember the disease and remember the gene SMN1, that is cervical motor nerve gene 1. So for the spinal muscular atrophy. Now coming to delimitation. Friends, already there was a question last year that how many times the delimitation has occurred so far. It has been 3 times, that is 51, 62, 71 and in 2002. In the 42nd amendment, so there was a freeze over total number of parliament and assembly seats till 2001 census. And in the 84th amendment, the freeze was extended till 2026. And now 2026 is fast approaching. Hence, the states are up in the ante in order to gain more seats. So that is why it is being in news. So I don't think the questions might repeat, but still it is our duty to give a footnote reference. So these are the topics for today.